In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can rewind the time on FX Replay. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and the first thing you need to do is log into your FX Replay account. Once you've done that, we can go to the top right corner and head over to My Dashboard. From here, we can go to the top right corner again, and we just want to look for this profile icon. And when we click on this, we'll actually be able to see this option which says Manage Account. So we're going to click on that, and then we want to go to the left hand side and go down to where it says Customizations. From there, you need to make sure Enable Replay is turned on over here, because by default this will be turned off, and you won't be able to rewind the time if this is turned off. So first make sure this is turned on, and then we can go back to our backtesting dashboard. From there, we can then open up a session. From here, all we have to do is find a place in which we want to rewind the time to, and let's just say I wanted to rewind to here, right where this crash happens. I could go to the top of the crash and right click, and I can then click replay to this date. From there it says, are you sure you would like to replay? And it says that if we change the current data, we will lose all of our trades updated after the 5th of March 24. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click proceed. But you obviously want to listen to this warning, as you may not want to lose all of your trades. So when I click yes proceed, as you can see, it takes us back to here, right, as that crash is happening. And if we speed this up, we'll be able to watch this happen in real time. And as you can see, that was that crash which we just rewinded the time to. So that's how you can rewind the time on FX Replay. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.